people are the most important part of our business. That's why we work so hard to provide great service. Here's an exciting example of a 5-star experience we're happy to share right now. We really appreciate it when someone is kind enough to write about their experience with our staff. We believe reviews like this are a great testament to our commitment of quality. Our team loves to share this positive feedback with the world, so you can feel confident that you're turning to the right company for your needs. We value everyone, new and old. Whether you're brand new or have been through our doors before, we'd like the chance to make you happy. So why wait? Call us at the number on your screen today and find out for yourself what everyone's raving about.